Okay, and welcome to this next lesson called least divisor. So what we want to do is, given an integer not less than 2, print its smallest integer that can, the smallest integer divisor greater than 1. So it's going to print the smallest number that can divide this number that is greater than 1, okay? So it's going to try and do it again using an end loop, or a while loop. So what we need to do is we need to first get our n number again. So n is our number that we're going to use, equals int, because it's an integer, input, okay? Then we want to do div equals 2, okay, so it's going to be divided by 2. So what we're going to do is while n, the number we just put in, percentage divide. So percentage divide is on number 5, shift 5 on here. Div, okay, is not equal to, and we do not equals with this symbol, to 0. And what this means is it'll keep dividing this number until we get a division that gives us a 0, okay? And what this means is percentage divide will give us the remainder. So for example, if you divide 10 by 3, it'll give us 10 goes into 3 goes 9, and the remainder is 1. Okay, so for example, that it gives you the remainder. It doesn't give you the actual division, so it just gives you what's left over. Okay, so we're going to do div plus again equal 1, and this will just keep going until it finds the smallest number that will divide that number. Okay, so and then we want to just print that out. So you notice again, this is inside the loop, okay, and then this is actually outside the loop. This is when the loop is finished here. This is the while. We call this a conditioned loop here. So let's try and run the tests on that and see, does it work? Oh, didn't like that one. Let's try it again. Okay. Oh, it's because I've made a mistake there. Should be capital N div, yeah. Let's try that and see. Okay, so it seems to have worked. Let's just test it here. So 15. So if I do run, let's see if I run it here. The smallest number that can be divided into 15, it's not 1, it's 3. Okay, so we put in 15, it gives us out 3. And of course, okay, 1 is, it says greater than 1, so 1 of course goes into 15, 2 doesn't, not evenly anyway. Okay, so it has to be an even number. It has to divide evenly into it. So give that one a go, and let's see how you do.